Guys, today the use of PDF editing is getting more common in clerical jobs, because employers exchange various documents in PDF format with clients and vendors. Nowadays, invoices, payslips, certificates and other majority of documents are sent and receive in PDF format. PDF files are very easy to edit, but unfortunately, most of the fresh graduates don't know how to edit PDF files. That is why they don't get those jobs. In this video, I will tell you how you can easily edit PDF files online for free, with the use of a simple website. Type PDF editor in Google search bar. Click the first link, that is, safeta.com. When the website opens, click Upload PDF file. Select the required PDF file in browsing window, and click Open. Text option will be automatically selected, but if it is not selected, then you should select it. Text option is used for filling text in the PDF file. Please see carefully how I'm filling the text. You will need to click at the location where you want to write text. A blue highlighted text will appear. Now you can write the text through the use of keyboard. You can also write in blocks by clicking at the first block, and then continue writing digits or characters, by giving single or multiple spaces in between. If you mistakenly type text at wrong location, then you can hover over that text, and when the plus sign appears, hold mouse left click, and drag the text to proper location. After completely filling the PDF file, click Apply Changes tab at the bottom. After processing, you can preview the edited PDF file. If the file is correct, click Download tab, and if you want to edit further, then you can click Continue Editing tab. If you want to remove some text from PDF file, then you can do it by selecting Whiteout tab. You can drag the white rectangle shape on the text that you want to remove. Then you can use the text option to write text over the whiteout area. You can also change the color of the whiteout rectangle shape. You can also add images to your PDF file by selecting Images tab. You can also add signature to the PDF file by selecting the Sign tab. Upload signature image by choosing the Upload Image option, or choose Type option to write your name and select a suitable signature, or choose Draw option to draw signature. So now you have learned the most common PDF editing techniques, that are, number 1, inserting text to PDF file, 2, removing text from PDF file, 3, adding images to PDF file, and 4, adding signature to PDF file. If you like this video, then please click the like tab, and subscribe to this channel, for learning more clerical job skills. Thanks for watching.